We start, with the lift cell booster, and usually we have a vial of 3 cc each, and for one full face I think it's enough. Chin over here, and I will use a fan technique in the contrary, and like that we are sure, to hydrate all the localization. I follow, the side of the mandibulary. With cannula we are less traumatic and no danger with the facial artery. And like that we can use, all the full face. The lifting effect and the skin redensification. Now I will use, the shape cell booster, and this one will be used, to work especially on the how can I explain, on the local fault and all the zone when you can have, residue of retention of water. For example, over here, and look. So for that, what I want to do is to stretch the oval of the face, and very important after that to work on the localization, especially when you have a fat deposit. For that, I will make the oval of the face with the cannula, and all these push points here, I will use the technique point by point, and I will use, a needle of 30 gauges. I'm using a needle of 31 gauges. And I inject perpendicular. I have to press the skin and the fat deposit over here, and I go deep with my needle, point by point. This side, and I'm deeper. I feel the product, perfect. I will show you how we can inject under the neck with a needle and still with the same product. I'm using a needle of 31 gauges. And I inject perpendicular. I have to press the skin and the fat deposit over here, and I go deep with my needle, point by point. Okay, not painful, it's okay. Mm-hmm. Sometimes it can be a little burning at this level. Now I'm very careful with my needle. And when you make the massage, you feel the product is sliding on the skin. First, skin redensification with the lift cell booster, then fat deposit and all the zone with the retention of water with the shape, and now I shall use glow. 30 gauge needle, and I'm more local, you know, on the area of the pigmentation. Intradermis. And you can see that we can combine the three products in the same session. We can be very complete. When I have this kind of pigmentation, I like sometimes to make a small peeling. I wait for a couple of times, 2 weeks or something like that, and after I'm injecting glow. And we are more and more efficient in such case. In this area, she has a small mark, but I must be much more careful because we have a lot of vascularization. You have the champy localization. So I have to stretch the skin as well, and I inject under this level, much deeper, and I put a small amount. I make a small aspiration, of course, to control that they did not touch any capillary, which is perfect. But I want to show you the technique. It's especially all the periorbital over here. So in such case, I have to change my needle. And in this area, you can use 0.1 to 0.3, not more on this level of the periorbital zone. Be careful also because it's a very big vascularization at this side. So we have to make perpendicular injection. As much as we can go until the souffle, and we can be a little deep. .05 on each point. 0.1. Up. Respiration, it works. Up. It's the same technique we are using when we are injecting with a filler with the loss of volume in this area. You can take a cotton stick and you can roll it on the skin. Like that, you spread your glow cell booster as well. Easy to use and completely very well, you know, the cannula injection. Up. You see, I'm not traumatic at all. And it's not pain. I'm using, you know, a post-injection product with usually arnica and aloe vera or something else to make the patient comfortable. Like that, she forgot that I was rude with her, and it's the best time for her.